Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you what all came in my extension kit. It's for the Code Fusion extensions, and this is how it arrives in the mail. It comes in this brown box like this, taped up. And when you open the box, you will see this. And then you open it, and in this bag it is this purple bag, and it has all these stuff inside of it for your Code Fusion extensions. It comes with this comb, and it also comes with these spacers, and it comes with these long hair clips to hold up the spacers, and it comes with this. Well, you can't really see it that good, but it's to pull the hair through the beads. To pull the hair through the beads. Okay. Next we have these little bitty clips. Came with a few of these. See? And then we have the single spacers also. And we have some pink and black pliers to clamp the beads together. And lastly, but not least, we have the beads. And that's all that came in the Code Fusion extension packet. Well, that's all that came in this box. So, until next time, bye everyone.